How to remove dark circles under the eyes with green tea. Common alterations in the rhythm of life, such as stress and anxiety, can cause sleep disorders such as insomnia. Fatigue and lack of sleep represent some of the main causes of the appearance of dark circles under the eyes, those annoying spots under the eyes that reflect the poor quality of sleep. There are other causes of dark circles under the eyes, such as genetics or allergies, but in any case, many people see them as an aesthetic problem. There are many methods to diminish dark circles under the eyes or eliminate them. Some of them are very expensive, but do not worry, because there are home treatments that you can apply in your day-to-day. This article tells you how to remove dark circles under the eyes with green tea. What are dark circles under the eyes? The skin on the face is much more delicate than the skin on the rest of the body. In the area around the eyes, moreover, the skin layers are even thinner. This means that the blood vessels are more easily marked than the rest of the skin. For this reason, it is easy for pigmentation changes to occur in this area and for dark circles and bags to appear under the eyes. It is normal for dark circles under the eyes to become more pronounced as the years go by, due to the degeneration of epithelial cells and the loss of elasticity in the face. Alcohol, tobacco and pollution are also factors that attack skin cells, further enhancing the development of dark circles under the eyes. Another reason why dark circles under the eyes are caused is generic predisposition. There are disorders that decrease the amount of iron produced by the body, which causes changes in the pigmentation of the skin, making it darker. Allergies and the presence of a greater amount of fat in the area around the eyes can also cause the appearance of dark circles and cause this alteration to become chronic. How to remove dark circles under the eyes with green tea. There is a multitude of treatments to eliminate dark circles under the eyes. Some of them are quite expensive since they are based on the use of creams and antiseptic treatments. Often, the effect is not effective enough. For those who prefer a very natural and effective remedy, one of the most recommended methods by experts is the use of green tea to diminish dark circles under the eyes or get rid of them. If you want to learn how to use green tea bags for dark circles under the eyes, you will only need the following: 2 cotton pads, 2 bags of traditional green tea, 1 tablespoon of salt, 250 ml of water. Now, to prepare your own home remedy for dark circles under the eyes, follow the instructions below. Bring water to a boil and pour it into a cup. Insert the green tea and wait until the liquid is lukewarm. Add a teaspoon of salt and mix. Place the cotton pads in the cup and soak them in the infusion. Place them on the eye area for 20 minutes. Remove and wash well to avoid irritation from the salt. Other home remedies for dark circles under the eyes. In addition to using green tea, you can also help yourself with other medicinal herbs for dark circles under the eyes. For example, chamomile is a plant with excellent anti-inflammatory properties, so it is ideal to enhance the effects of this home remedy to reduce dark circles and relieve inflammation of the eye bags. To use chamomile, just follow these steps. Add a chamomile tea bag to the 2 green tea bags in the cup with the previously boiled water. Let it steep until the liquid is lukewarm. Add a teaspoon of salt. Soak the absorbent cotton in the infusion and place it on the eye area for at least 20 minutes. Remove and rinse. In addition to the chamomile and green tea, you can also use black tea. If you want, you can put the mixture in the refrigerator to cool. This way, you will also take advantage of the benefits of cold on the skin, as well as its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to relieve redness. Green tea with milk to remove dark circles under the eyes. Another ingredient that also helps to reduce dark circles under the eyes is cold, whole milk. Why? The percentage of fat it contains brings hydration to the thinner skin, while the cold causes vasoconstriction in the area, thus reducing puffiness. Removing dark circles under the eyes with green tea and milk is very simple. Follow these steps. Add 2 green tea bags to boiled water and let steep. Put the infusion in the refrigerator to cool. Mix half a cup of green tea infusion with half a cup of cold whole milk. When you have obtained a homogeneous liquid, soak absorbent cotton and keep it on the eye area for 15 minutes. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment on what other tea topics you'd like us to cover, and don't forget to tap the like button and subscribe. Also, check the description below for a link to our delicious teas.